Hi everyone. Our broom has a broken handle which never stays on properly, so as you sweep you keep holding onto the handle and not the broom. So I'm going to make a replacement out of this block of beech as a quick little lathe project. Okay, my plan is I'm going to get this rough turn down, start putting some details in, and then put the Forstner in last so I can have the support of the live center. All right, let's see if we can get our hole in. Now I've bored as deep as I can go, so I'm going to add on some friction polish, and then I'll part it once I've got it all cleaned up. Time to use some Yorkshire grit to get this really nicely ground. Finally, some Hampshire sheen. There we go, that looks nice and shiny. I need to part this off now. See how well this fits. All right, that feels pretty comfortable. I didn't do the beads consistent spacing, specifically so it would fit my fingers nicely. But yeah, that feels pretty good. I'm happy with that. Nice little quick project. All right, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing me make a handle for my broom. And if you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing. Take a look at some of the other videos. If you've got any ideas, leave a comment. Would love it if you could leave a like for the video if you've watched it all the way through. Thank you very much and have a fantastic day.